basically, I got stuck into a war by chance. I don't know how someone can get stuck into a war by chance, but that's really what happened with me. I was 17 or close to being 17 when I lived for a while overseas in Lebanon. And in 2006, I had a 10-month-old. My son then was 10 months, and the Israel and Lebanon war had broken out. So that was the first one, and on the back of that, we had to be evacuated to Cyprus via boats with the help of the Australian government. And I think early on, having such a huge experience from someone that grew up in the West all their life, had never seen, a gun, let alone, heard missiles and bombs, and a country that's just went into complete frenzy. It really shaped the way I viewed the world. That there's no justice.